Welcome to this tutorial on creating a WordPress website using GoDaddy. To start, go to the GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. Once you are logged in, click on the My Account button and select the Manage My Products option. Then click on the Web Hosting option and select the Manage button next to your hosting package. Scroll down to the Website section and click on the Install Application button. Select the WordPress option from the list and click on the Install button. Fill in the required information such as the administrator username and password and click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, you will receive an email with the login credentials to your WordPress website. To log into your WordPress website, go to your website URL followed by wp-admin and enter your login credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage all aspects of your website, including the theme, plugins, and content. To change the theme, click on the Appearance option and select the Themes option. You can choose from a variety of free and paid themes, or you can upload your own custom theme. To install a new theme, click on the Add New button and select the Upload Theme option. Then select the zip file of your theme and click on the Install Now button. After installing the theme, you can customize it by clicking on the Customize option. You can change the layout, colors, and fonts of your theme to match your brand. To add content to your website, click on the Posts option and select the Add New option. You can add text, images, and videos to your posts. To add a new page, click on the Pages option and select the Add New option. You can add contact forms, about pages, and other types of pages to your website. To make your website secure, go to the Settings option and select the General option. Make sure the WordPress address and site address are the same and the HTTPS protocol is selected. Finally, to launch your website, go to the GoDaddy website and select the Manage My Products option. Then select the Manage button next to your hosting package and click on the Launch button. Your website is now live and ready for the public to view.